Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today I wanted to do another Boxycharm unboxing video for you guys. I wanted to show you guys what we received in our February box. So if you guys would like to see what we received and how I achieved this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you tap the bell so that you're notified whenever I do post. And yeah, so if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so with this month's Boxycharm, I have not opened it yet, so we're gonna see what's inside, and I'm going to, of course, create a makeup look using the products that I received in this month's box. So let me go ahead and open this up. Alright, and as always, we have our little sheet. This one says Afterglow, and on the back, of course, the products that's in the box, a description, and how much each product costs. So the first thing that we got is a ultra gentle facial cleanser. This is by Pharmacy Clean Bee. Looks like this. This product retails for $22, and it says soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Glinter. I can't read. So yes. The next product we have is No Problem Primer. Smooth and pore covering, top secret for makeup, for perfect makeup. Looks like this. This product retails for $18. This looks very interesting. I'm definitely going to be using this in the video. We also received this, what is this? Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. Looks like this. Prime and Color Glaze Base and Brilliant. English Rose is a shade. So when you open it, it looks like this. But it said it also has a primer. Oh, so I'm assuming this is the primer. This is a 2-in-1 lip duo. Features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color. I guess we can see what this is talking about as well. We also received the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've had this mascara before. I used to love this mascara, but it just is hella clumpy. Like, I'm gonna show you guys the wand. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very, very thick, and it makes your lashes very, very clumpy. This mascara is $24. $24. I remember when I first bought this many years ago. Next, we got a Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter, and this retails for $32. So in this month's box, they did not give us any eyeshadow palettes, which is so weird because I feel like every box comes with an eyeshadow palette. So these are the products that I'm going to use in today's video. Obviously, I'm not going to be using this because my face is already clean, but I will eventually try this out. I'm going to do a video, a get unready with me, on how I remove my makeup and my skincare routine. So I'm going to see if I can use this product in that video whenever I make it. So let's go ahead and get started to the makeup look. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be taking this Crown Pro palette. It looks like this. This came in a Boxycharm many months ago, and I've realized that I never used this palette on my channel, so I wanted to go ahead and use this palette for you guys. Of course, starting out, I'm going to prime my eyelids using some, almost said mascara, using some concealer. To start off, I'm going to be taking my Morphe E27 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into this shade right here as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to be dipping into this shade right here, and I'm going to be applying this in my crease. For the lid, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes, we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to be using the No Problem primer, and let's see if I like this. Whoa, this shit just went squirting everywhere. It doesn't really smell like anything. It feels a little silicone-y. And it feels very greasy as well. Be careful with this because it does squirt out very fast. Using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade Coconut. For concealer, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe. Every time I pick this concealer up, I'm like, oh, why do I not use this? I'll instantly remember. It tingles my face. And I don't know how I feel about concealer tingling, but it's on there now. To contour, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Cocoa. Wow, I cannot believe I didn't talk about the obvious. My hair is straight, you guys. I went and I got a Dominican blowout, and I have not had straight hair in 3 years. So this feels very weird. I feel bald because I feel like my hair just feels super thin because I haven't had my hair straight in so freaking long. But I just wanted to try something different. I always said, I was like, you know, I know I'll eventually straighten my hair, I just didn't know when. But yesterday I was at work and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna hit up the Dominican salon when I get off of here. And that's exactly what I did. And I like the way it turned out, so, but it just feels, my hair feels nice. I haven't let them trim. Wow, the amount of foundation I just got in my hair is ridiculous. Like, whoa. Look at this. I give up. I give up. I'm going to blend out this concealer with my sponge. I'm going to set my contour with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm going to set my under eyes with the K-Lux Cosmetics Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I got it that time. Where's my little poof? So now we're going to work on my under eye, and I'm going to be doing this shade right here and also this shade right here. I'm just gonna mix those two together and put them under my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna dust off this powder. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to prep my lashes for false lashes. And as always, I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, let's go ahead and move on to the lips. So I'm going to be taking this thing that came in my Boxycharm. So I'm going to use, I guess, to use a primer first. Doesn't have a smell. All right. And I'm trying to figure out how I'm supposed to put this on. This is kind of like a weird shape to put on your lips. All right. I wouldn't say that this is very pigmented. I feel like I have to go over a lot to make it not look so patchy. It's very comfortable on the lips, I will say that. And I like the color of it, so I guess this is cool. Alright, moving on, we're going to be taking the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. And I'm going to swatch this for you guys so you guys can see how it looks. This is how it is on my finger. And I'm going to swatch it. And this is how it looks. This is pretty. Alright, let's go ahead and use this for highlight. I normally don't ever wear blush, but for some reason I'm in the mood to put on blush. So I'm going to be taking this Pretty Vulgar blush, and this is in the shade Hush Blush. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up and make sure that you comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.